Hi guys, welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where I'm going to take a look at the market outlook for the upcoming month of December. Before we begin the video, please don't forget, as always, to like the video, smash the subscribe button, and in the comment section below I will leave a link to our free Telegram group where we give daily market updates every day of the year, and we also give updates on the trades we have taken in the premium group. I will also leave a link to our November results for the premium group, so you can take a look at all of the trades we took. It was actually November was an even better month for us than October, which is incredible considering how bearish the month of November has been. We've had a very profitable month again. So looking at BTC on the daily chart here, I've already drawn the volume profile, and we can see really clearly on the daily it's just struggling to get above the value area high, which is the blue line. What I would like to see is a test of the point of control, which is the red line, around 16.4, 16.5, to see if we can then get another move up. Ultimately, we're looking to flip the 17,000, 17,200 area. If we flip that, we could start to look for a move towards testing the previous range lows, which will likely be strong resistance. We can see the previous range lows was around 18,000, 18,100. We had this massive long-term range here. It was about 140 days. So with that in mind, there's every chance we could see a similar situation again, where we sort of get a lot of sideways movement for the next couple of months. Which, if that does happen, for me it's ideal, because I think trading in a range it becomes much easier because you get multiple tests of support where you can look to long, multiple tests of resistance where you can look to short. So it just means more months of profitable trading. But of course, when we look at Bitcoin, there's other things we have to take into consideration on what could affect the market. The first thing I always look at is the US dollar, and currently after this massive run, and we had sort of a 10-year high in the end of September, we've been on this downtrend. But the US dollar at the moment is sitting on support. We're on support of this channel and we've got this demand zone here. Now remember, the US dollar goes up, crypto goes down. If the US dollar goes down, then Bitcoin goes up. That's how it works. So if we do get a move away here and a sort of we bounce off of resistance and start to move up, obviously that's going to be a bearish for crypto. The other thing we have to consider is the stocks and the S&P 500. I've drawn these lines here already. We can see we're at a really strong resistance area. And this resistance is currently looking to flip is the downtrend from, the moment the downtrend started right at the beginning of 2022. So we can see it's obviously a huge area to flip, because if we flip this, then we're really looking at breaking this downtrend, which is a big thing and would be bullish for all the economy really. But of course, there's every chance we get a rejection here and start to move down. And if stocks go down, then crypto follows too. The positive news though, and the thing that I think is sort of holding the market together throughout the whole FTX and exchange drama, is the CPI, the inflation readings that came in last, were some of the best results we've seen this year. And it means that we can see here that people are pricing in, 78% of people are pricing in a slowing down of the rate increase this month to 50 BPS. Now, whilst that's technically not a Fed pivot, because a Fed pivot is when they go from increasing rates to reducing rates, or the other way around, but it is a slowing of rate increases. Which is obviously gives the economy a sign of light at the end of the tunnel. So unusually this month we have the CPI readings out on the 13th, and then the next day is the FOMC meeting for the previous month. So all eyes are on that, and if we do get a 50 BPS increase, which is less than it has been, then that's a good sign, and we will likely see some relief in the market, although it is majority is priced in at the moment. We still should see some relief. But as I said, these are the two areas I'm looking at for Bitcoin right now. Is a pullback to confirm the support at 16.5. I would look to position long there. You can obviously put your stops below the value area low. But if we flip this value area high, as soon as we start to close daily above 17k, I'm eyeing a push towards 18.1 as the next move. I hope you found this video useful, guys, and I will see you next week.